Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Conway local and long distance movers near me. Moving within Conway shouldn't be challenging. This is why Conway local TM movers are your best bet. Move quickly and without stress, no matter your location within Conway. As FL Movers help you move with the following services: free consultancy regarding quotes, charges on an hourly basis, and helping you with packing, assembling, and disassembling your items. Moving away from Conway is undoubtedly not easy for you to take on alone. Long-distance moves present unique difficulties different from those you experience while moving your home or business with local movers. Conway long-distance movers prioritize quality in packaging and will provide a storage facility if your items need proper storage in transit. There is also the provision of surveillance cameras to monitor what happens with the trucks and your belongings through the move process. So, you see, you are in charge here. 3 Movers offers competitive, customizable moving packages to meet your unique moving need. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Conway moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.